Launching your Udemy course and further promotion. All new courses have to be reviewed by Udemy, and the process is fully explained here. It will usually take Udemy between 2 and 5 business days to review your course and get back to you. Sometimes they will tell you that you need to make some changes before approval. If your course is fine, they will confirm that it is live. Although Udemy will help you to find potential purchasers for your course, you need to do more than that. It is never a case of build it and they will come. Sure, a few may come, but you cannot totally rely on this if you want to create a significant passive income with your Udemy courses. Tell your existing followers. Once your course is live, you want to tell your existing followers, if you have an existing audience, about it. Start by telling your personal network about your course. This is your family, friends, and colleagues. Give them a free coupon and ask them to enroll and leave you a good review. If you have a following on social media channels, then create either a free or discount coupon for them. By now, you should have a few students and reviews by asking your personal network to help. Social proof is extremely important with Udemy courses. Nobody is going to want to be the first person to enroll in a new course. So never be worried about giving out some free coupons to your followers. Now, you might not warm to this idea at first. After all, you've spent a great deal of time, effort, and possibly money getting your course up and running. You now want to start getting paid, but you need to be patient here and think longer term. By giving away free coupons, you will make more money in the long run because you are creating social proof. The more students and reviews a potential customer see for your course, the higher the likelihood is that they will make a purchase. So be willing to give out a lot of free coupons for your course. You can do this in the Facebook groups that you joined as part of your pre-launch sales funnel. How many students do you need to provide social proof? Well, there's no fixed figure, but at least 500 and preferably 1,000. Using coupons on deal websites. There are many deal websites around, and you can look for the ones where there will be interest in your course. Don't waste your time adding coupons to a deal site specializing in perfume discounts if you've created a course about using WordPress. There are some more general deal sites such as Crunchadeal and Slick Deals, which could bring some customers. Using paid ads. Once you have developed your social proof and know that your Udemy course converts well, then you can try paid advertising to increase your sales. Ads from Facebook and Instagram are usually best because you can specify your target audience. We recommend that you create discount coupons to use in these ads. Think SEO. Conduct some keyword research using the free Google Keyword Planner to create a list of keywords related to your course subject. It is very important that your landing page is SEO friendly, so when users search for a course on Udemy, your course will appear in the results when it is related. Pay attention to your title and subtitle. Use high volume keywords in these. Be sure to make it all look natural. Add these and other keywords to other parts of your landing page, such as the student goals and the course description. Once your course is live, test it for SEO. Review it regularly afterwards, too. Keep making posts about your course on social media. When you are promoting your Udemy course, your work is never done. Add new posts about your course on social media channels. You can post that you have achieved a student number milestone, such as 1,000, or make posts about the positive comments you have received from people that took your course. Write blog posts about your subject. We recommend that you set up a blog or website in the pre-launching phase if you don't already have one. Write posts about your subject and then include links to your Udemy course in these. Use long-tail keywords so that your post will rank on Google and other search engines for more traffic. Use promotional and educational announcements. Every month, you can send 2 promotional emails to your existing students. You can use promotional emails to tell your existing customers about new Udemy courses you have created. If you make any sales for your new courses through these emails, then you get 97% of the revenue as it is seen as direct marketing. The other advantage is that Udemy will spot this rise in paid students, and this will lead to an increase in your search rankings on Udemy. You can make 4 educational announcements to your existing students each month. Here, you will want to provide value and increase student engagement. It is not necessary to use all 4 educational emails each month, but you should send at least one. Why not send out a message that highlights certain sections of your course to your students? Or you can use educational messages to share additional content relevant to your course, adding more value. The 2 main reasons that you should send regular educational messages are: 1, it reminds your students about you. 2, it helps with your Udemy SEO. Reminding your students about you is particularly important when you create new courses on Udemy. You are becoming more familiar with them, and they are more likely to buy something else from you. The emails prove that you care about them and their success. Student engagement is a strong factor for Udemy SEO. They will note the time that people spend watching your videos. They will also take note of how active you are in the Q&A area and other places.